Dear God, I've heard your name from teachers, family, and friends. You made the universe, and so we'll live on when it ends. But everyone I know admits they've never seen your face. They are not sure where you live and have no map to the place. I thought perhaps a letter or a postcard could be mailed. Since I didn't have your address, that idea kind of failed. My mum told me that I can talk to you if I just pray. So God, well, here I am, no, I'm not sure just what to say. She said I'd never see you, but she said you're always there. You're never fast asleep, and somehow you're always aware. She said that you'd remember me if I remember you. Said you'd always help me if I ever asked you to. I am just one child you made out of millions, I would guess. I try my best, but sometimes even that turns out a mess. So I'd like you to help me with the stuff that I find tough. Like feeling sad and lonely, or like I'm not good enough. I'd gladly pay the debt, somehow give something back to you. But since you're Lord of everything, there's not much I could do.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Da 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 da.